If you haven't made hot sauce before, I beg you give this a go, because this was my first try. It was so simple and the results were amazing. For an extra zing, we're going to be lacto-fermenting these chilies. So we need a 5% brine of water and fine sea salt. Mix everything together until the salt's dissolved and then put to one side. Grab your chili of choice, remove the stalks and cut them in half. We're going to be blending them later, so there's no need for any fine chopping here. Peel some garlic cloves, then put the chili and the garlic into a jar and cover with the brine, poking everything down to make sure it's covered, and then top with some greaseproof. Seal the jar, and now we play the waiting game. Like and follow for part 2. I'm kidding. Ferment your chilies for as long as you dare. I'd probably say 1 or 2 weeks is best. These have had 6, maybe 7 days, I forget. Once fermented, open the jar and see those little bubbles, then strain the chilies through a sieve, reserving the brine. We're going to need it for the sauce later. These chilies will be nice and soft now. Place the chilies and the garlic into a blender with the white wine vinegar, lime juice, and a splash or 2 of that brine, then blitz everything together until smooth. Add a little olive oil to thicken and mellow the sauce out a bit, and that's pretty much it. Spicy, spicy hot sauce ready to bottle and give to your loved one. I had to give it a test run, so I heated it up with a little bit of butter, and once it was looking good, I tossed it with some chicken wings and coated them up, and then went to town on those bats. So get involved, make that sauce, coat those wings, and don't forget to like and follow.